ایک گھونسلہ کیسے بنتا ہے ایک دن کا دیکھ کے یاد آیا پہلے تو تھی ایک سوچ آئی گھر تو پھر سوچ کے بعد آیا ایک سوچ پہ ہے مینار بنا ایک سوچ پہ ہے مینار بنا وہ سوچ سنبھال بھی سکتے ہیں سب اپنے نظریے پاس رکھو ہم اپنا نظریہ رکھتے ہیں سب اپنے نظریے پاس رکھو ہم اپنا نظریہ رکھتے ہیں اپنے نظریے پاس رکھو ہم اپنا نظریہ رکھتے ہیں اپنے نظریے پاس رکھو ہم اپنا نظریہ رکھتے ہیں یاد رہے کہ کوئی وجہ ہے پاس اپنے جو اپنی جگہ ہے جان سے زیادہ خرچہ آیا گھر اپنے تب نام لگا ہے رستے پر دل جب آیا ہو منزل تک بھاگنا ہوتا ہے گھر جاگنا ہو اس سے پہلے ایک حوصلہ جاگنا ہوتا ہے ایک سوچ پہ ہے مینار بنا ایک سوچ پہ ہے مینار بنا وہ سوچ سنبھال بھی سکتے ہیں سب اپنے نظریے پاس رکھو ہم اپنا نظریہ رکھتے ہیں سب اپنے نظریے پاس رکھو ہم اپنا نظریہ رکھتے ہیں اپنے نظریے پاس رکھو ہم اپنا نظریہ رکھتے ہیں اپنے نظریے پاس رکھو ہم اپنا نظریہ رکھتے ہیں
with us and we are welcome to our guests. Inshallah, I was talking about the over all Muslim countries are silent over a very hot issue of the Palestine issues. So I was talking with the Safir that the countries should think and they should raise their voice over this issue. And this is our brothers, our children, they are being killed in very brutal manner. So this is my request to Mr. Fazal. He should raise voice for this our beloved children and old as people of the Palestine. So I hope we will talk. I'm very thankful. He is here and we are with us.
I will request the Honorable President, Working President of Lahore High Court Bar, to say few words for Your Excellency and about the program.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lahore High Court Bar Association welcome Mr. Khidr in Lahore High Court Bar Association and the delegates along with him. We on behalf of Lahore High Court Bar Association all welcome our brotherly country Azerbaijan, and Azerbaijan is developing country now, and it is a very astonishing for all of us that within last 3 years its population has been increased, where the opportunities, business opportunities, brotherly relationship opportunities have been increased tremendously. In Hawaii, where an entrepreneur from Pakistan has gathered the people to invest their money in Azerbaijan. Mr. Adil Bhatt is working there, a close friend of our and a younger brother to Adnan Shuja Bhatt, who is an advocate here. We expect that brotherly relationship shall increase, and we warmly, with open heart, welcome Azerbaijan's people here in Pakistan. As in Turkey, the Turkish brothers are with us since last many hours. Islamic brotherly country. The legal fraternity is not so much here because it is a developing, but the human rights are being protected over there. No issue you can face there, no problem you can face there, all are being addressed, and we are very thankful to our distinguished guest to see Lahore High Court Bar. As you people know that this bar is visited by all the dignitaries and they love to see us and they love to see this legal fraternity in Lahore High Court Bar Association. And Heather is one of those who love to see this bar and have a word with you. I would request him to please say something for the legal fraternity.
Why we are so curious to develop our relations, especially economic relations with Pakistan. When you analyze our relations with Pakistan, we have very high level political relations, very high level. We have very high level diplomatic relations. We have very, let's say, very productive multilateral relations in international organizations and regional organizations. If you check, analyze, you will see that almost the resolutions adopted on benefit of the Pakistan, Turkey, Azerbaijan, you will see trilateral co-sponsorship. It became tradition. We became unconditionally supporting each other in many issues in international relations. We have good also relations in the defense field, military field, which is already became legacy, as we have with Turkey. But the only missing part is economic relations. Of course, we should also focus on humanitarian relations also, exchange of people, students, exchange of the specialists from different domains between our two countries. Why we are so much focused also on economic relations? I think one of the main reasons that we could not develop our relations in economic field was that we geographically not so close like neighbor countries. That's why it is another hurdle, but it is not so much, serious difficulties. Because Pakistan and Azerbaijan also doing trade relations with overseas countries, than what we cannot do in our Eurasia. Just, I would like to bring your attention, our intention toward brotherly countries like Turkey, Central Asian countries, Pakistan, just with some few examples. When we first produced our oil after get our independence with the capital of foreign countries with a huge amount, we could export this oil and gas just immediately through Georgia, the shortest route to Black Sea. But we choose intentionally the route through Turkey, the longest route among our neighbor countries, the longest route. We invested millions to all this infrastructure to make our oil and gas be exported to the world through Turkey, especially. And we also connected Central Asian countries